Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You've got AirPods Pro 2 and a compatible iPhone. Check both have battery and iOS is updated. First, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your iPhone, then open the charging case next to the phone. Once the setup card appears, tap Connect and follow the on-screen voice prompts to pair. Make sure to hold the case near the phone until pairing finishes. After pairing, the automatic device switching and iCloud sync will be available. Configure them in settings if you use multiple Apple devices. Now optimize fit and features so the AirPods perform reliably. Insert each bud and run the ear tip fit test in Bluetooth settings to pick the best seal. A proper seal boosts bass and noise cancellation. Next, press and hold the stem to toggle active noise cancellation and transparency, and customize press actions in settings for single/double/press and hold. Enable spatial audio and head tracking for immersive sound. Make sure apps support it. Once done, adjust volume from device or use the AirPods volume gestures for hands-free control. Finish by personalizing controls and maintenance so your AirPods last. Check for firmware updates by keeping them near your iPhone while charging. Apple installs updates automatically. Add to Find My for Lost mode and enable sound playback. Clean the mesh gently with a dry, soft brush and avoid liquids. Store in the case to preserve battery. If you run into connection drops, reset by holding the case button for 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. Then pair again from scratch to resolve persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.